Hey everybody, this is Vinnie with Geosoftware. As always, in all of our videos and products, we are trying to solve logistic problems in Excel. Most of the tools that we have developed are tools that are based on problems that some of my clients have had in the past. So our philosophy is that if one person needs it, then there will be probably many people that need it. So hopefully this tool will be helpful to you and will save you a lot of time. The problem we're trying to solve today is how to convert geocodes or longitudes and latitudes into addresses. Many of my clients have this issue. I've had this issue in the past where they have a list of geocodes and are looking to find the mailing address that corresponds to those coordinates, to those latitudes and longitudes. So the tool you're seeing on the screen does exactly that. Now, for obvious reasons, it's only possible to do this for actual geocodes that represent addresses, right? So if you get a geocode in the middle of the ocean, chances are there will not be an address associated with it. But the tool is smart enough where it finds the closest possible address to the entered coordinates. So let me show you very quick how it works. As the tool is built in Excel, as all of our tools are, no installation is necessary except for a working copy of Excel. It will work very well in Windows and in Macs. One more point is that we are using Google Maps API to locate those addresses, so you will need to get a Google Maps API key. We have a place where to place that into the Settings tab, and once you do that, then you should be able to make this tool work. It's extremely easy to use, takes 5 minutes free of charge, and you can find instructions on how to do that in my website. So the first step we do is we paste the latitude and the longitude into the appropriate columns that are colored in yellow, and all we have to do is click on the Run button. The tool will go ahead and populate the street address, city, the full mailing address for those coordinates. Is as easy as that. Now, for the tech-minded, how does the tool do it, right? So when we hit generate, the tool goes and queries Google Maps and find those addresses and brings them right into the spreadsheet. You can download the tool by clicking on the link below, and also please comment if you have any questions and if you feel that there is some functionality or tool that you need that is lacking. My information, my phone number and email are also in the description. Thank you for watching and stay safe.